Convener of Imagi Meira, Th. Sujata, claimed that the violence occurred in Jiribam stemmed from the government's insufficient deployment of security forces, urging for swift action to quell the unrest within 15 days. She further criticized the government for its perceived inaction, noting that people are deeply unsettled by its failure to address the dire situation. In a press meet held at Manipur Press Club by Imagi Meira, Delhi Meitei Coordinating Committee, Apunba Manipur Kanbalup, and Khwairamban Imakaithel Joint Coordinating Committee for Peace, Sujata alleged that the central government is showing favoritism towards the Kuki community. She pointed out the absence of Manipur government, Chief Minister and the party president of BJP Manipur during the critical situation in Jiribam. Their absence suggests that they prioritize party interest and political positions over the welfare of the public. She further alleged that despite their year-long efforts to secure a meeting with the Prime Minister regarding the turmoil in Manipur, they have been unable to do so. However, she criticized their decision to prioritize attending celebrations with Modi in New Delhi over addressing the critical situation in Manipur. Dismissing the significance of Modi's oath-taking ceremony, she urged the government and Chief Minister to prioritize resolving the Jiribam issue within 15 days. She stressed that the state government must cease unquestioning obedience to the central government, stating that silence or inaction from the state government in the face of any attempts to marginalize or harm the Meitei community is intolerable. Furthermore, she urged the Meitei residents of Jiribam not to flee their land in fear. Instead, she rallied them to stand united and protect their community collectively, assuring that the people of Manipur will discuss to extend aid and support in the critical situation. Meanwhile, she appealed to the Meitei, Pangal, Naga, and other communities to unite in solidarity, standing together to protect Jiribam and work towards resolving the issue. Besides, she also calls the attention of Center to replace Security Advisor Kuldeep if he fails to address the issue.
Irang se kanjalak pa have se masi kanjamam ji thokti have a potune koina ngasi praja gi khola oina koina tholai ba pose sigi punamate security gi thodok dai ne ba hojik tha taraum do sura da leira ba boxida jiri da du gi security tax ka baino watli no ba asida su national highway ne khoi gi chathok jasin ta lifeline gi lambi ni adom problem khudim bak thol le re ka kamaina security kanu oidrim no ba basi ma khoi gi sarkar da hangbam thokpa question ne ba mana sorry haira khoi sum ja le gedra ba moi yang khaisna sa akoi praja sa ngat toi da haira ka sumai sum tora khoi ja le gedra ba Sidi tasena center na tabok se pula mak se sille hai ba se kuki gi michang chang hai ba se proof evidence le ba gum banga ta ne ba maram di asam na fal hai ba po se moi da gi da ba kai do ba gi la do to pa mata kai do bai no yum mai tha do kai do bai gi noi ba ga tok doi no le ga da ni si da akhoi mem na security loi tight up to ro ga loi le ni hai ba po to tok da na moi na ga si hon do ta adoi ta di moi center force khudi mak su center na hai ba da thong ya min na ga kuki gi support na hai ba se ga si proof oi ra ba evidence oi ra ba ne ji gi problem si da.
On the other hand, President of Amkil, Laurembam Nganbi, recalled past incidents in areas like Churachandpur, More, and various Kuki-dominated regions where Meiteis were slain and forcibly driven away from their homeland due to the government's negligence in deploying adequate enforcements. She further claimed that such inhuman torture perpetrated by Kuki militants might have occurred in Jiribam as well. Recalling the Jiribam incident where a Meitei villager was killed and numerous Meitei houses were torched down, she expressed disappointment over the Central Forces' failure to act and their role as silent spectators in the face of the violence and destruction in Jiribam. She claimed that the Central Forces evacuated the Meiteis before the Kuki militants started torching down their villages. Furthermore, she expressed her suspicion that the Indian government is attempting to systematically target and oppress the Meitei community. She further alleged that Manipur finds itself in such dire straits due to the selfishness of Manipur's MLAs and ministers.
Jirida ngasi tholei ba thogdo si taseng he haiba taraga di Churachandpur amadi Moreda thogdok thokhiba matamduda sarkar china masi asugukki matik sathina thoe adu oiba taraga di Manipur sarkar amasung India sarkar na jiri ji da karai da aho arak leiri jiri ji karmain tawdana protect tawgani jiri ji aikhoi gi yamna maru oiba lamdam amasu oiri haiba se Manipur sarkar amadi India sarkar na mayek sengna thigalakanda protect tawhodabadagi karem ka thainaraga administration tawbadagi ngasi jiri da thogdo asi thogla ibani maramdi masi Manipur sarkar amasung India sarkar je khoina tainari beche kari maramgi no haiba taragadi moina neng nongmai ka pa lepu haraga lepa nongmai ka pa hauro haraga hauba adugi style ama khoina sapchana uba pangi ai khoi je maite je pulap thamjalaga haning bagi puba mamu ulak pa se masi Manipur sarkar amaji India sarkar gi asoi bani masi khudak ta lep ka da bani ai beche aina thamjaningi ba